Yo, what is up YouTube? Mike back again with another video today. And today, as you guys can see, I have, yes, two off-white Nike boxes. Nike swoosh finished in that glossy finish. I am super happy to bring these to you guys. These are not my shoes. I took an L on some Nike sneakers and on all the raffles that I entered. These are from a buddy named AJ. He copped both of these, one on Nike sneakers and one, I think, on StockX. He thought of me to unbox these on my channel, and I'm super thankful and super humbled by that. Thank you, AJ. I'm gonna put his IG right here for you guys to go give him a follow. But I'm super happy to bring you the Spooky Pack, the two Nike Blazers that dropped not too long ago. Like I said, I took an L on both of them, but super happy that they're here in front of me. We're gonna unbox these for you guys, but before I do that, hit that subscribe button. Definitely gonna help out the channel here. We need to grow as fast as possible, as well as hit up that thumbs up button if you guys like the content, and that notification button to be notified when I post a new video. I'm trying to post more and more content now that I'm back home and have more time to do it. So I'm excited to get into these. I hope you guys are too. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, and go. And there you guys have it, the unboxing of Virgil Abloh Nike collaboration, the Spooky Pack, Off-White Spooky Pack, the All Hallows Eve, and the Grim Reaper. My buddy AJ actually swapped the laces out. These laces are from the Air Force One Off-White collab that dropped earlier this year. He decided to switch them out. I think it looks pretty dope. My personal favorite gotta be these. I really wanted these. I lucked out on these from RSVP, Nike, St. Alfred's, like overseas, like End and stuff like that. So yeah, took L's on these, but these are still super dope to look at. I'm super excited. I actually have these in hand. I get to see what these feel like, you know, and look around, and I think it would look great in a photo shoot that I'm doing for my brand soon. You guys could actually follow all that social media right here. If you guys haven't already, Cam brand, follow it. New wave coming soon. It's actually already out, but I'm kind of upgrading everything. Look out for that coming soon. Anyway, should I do this? Holla, Virgil. Holla, yeah. Virgil, can I get like 5 more pairs sent my way, dude? There's the unboxing for you guys. Again, these are not my shoes. Shout out to AJ for letting me borrow these for the unboxing. I'm super excited. I had these in hand for a little bit and got to see him in person. Thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe to the Cam Fam if you guys haven't already. Super thankful for that as well. If you guys want to go follow my brand, be on the lookout for that. Again, Off-White Spooky Pack, both the Blazers in hand. You guys see it here first. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'm super excited to bring you guys more content. Mike signing out. See you guys in the next video. Peace.